So today I have this 4-pack of miniature scene stickers that I got off of AliExpress. I'll leave the link below, and I'll also leave a link for Amazon if you'd rather order from Amazon. I think today I'm recording and there's actually like an Amazon spring sale, so you might be able to get this for a good price actually. These are super cute. They're a little bit different because they have a unique shape to the base and they have little people in them. It also doesn't have that perspective, with the angles of the ceiling and the floor that some of the other miniature sticker scenes I've seen have. So I really am excited to work on this one today. This is the mermaid kind of under the sea theme. And when I opened this one up, it did come with 2 sticker sheets, and it is still that plastic, they call it like PET type material. It has one base, and then the packaging is actually super cute too. You could definitely repurpose this into something else. The front part of this is a little more transparent and smaller than the original base. And the back actually is really cute too. You could, once you finish this sticker scene, you could cut out that completed scene and repurpose it too, because the packaging is still on that nice thick cardstock material. I'm gonna put a little bit of masking tape on the back of this just so that my base doesn't slide around on the table, and then I'm gonna put on some music, and then I'll get right into it and assemble this guy. I'm gonna try to stick to this same scene with and start off with like the rocks and the castle in the background, and then it is kind of crowded. It seems like there's a lot of stickers, so I may not use them all. All right, let me put some music on.